Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we'll be picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. For your oracle guidance, today I'll be picking one card from another deck. So we will see what is the card as we proceed into the reading. This will be your oracle guidance card. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Virgos. So in your circumstances today, maybe you are happy about something, that emotional satisfaction is there in your circumstances, but you have something, some kind of anxiety over a future, a circumstance, or it may be your about your career. So you have some opportunities coming in your life. You need to make the right choice, decide on something, but you lack clarity, and you feel worried because you are expecting something, but you feel that that may not happen. So some kind of anxiety in your situation, and you are having a lot of dreams and plans, hoping for something good, hoping for something positive about your future, and you are a very determined person, dedicated, and that is the reason you are quite anxious about your future, because you are making tremendous efforts. You are making efforts with dedication, perseverance, and though you may feel that situation is not good, Virgos, with these cards I feel that there is a change coming in your life very soon. Something is going to make you very happy, and you will know the truth about this person, truth about your circumstance. So whatever is not clear for you, you will know the reality, and maybe the difficulties you are seeing today, it may be because of the way you handle your circumstance. You have a lot of confidence in your skills and talents, and you are working hard, determined to see good changes in your life, and this confidence may be the reason for troubles. Maybe it may be overconfidence. You are too confident about your skills and talents, and you feel that you have done your best, you have done well, or you have put in your efforts, and you have tried to be really friendly with this person, try to build a harmonious relationship with them patiently. So you feel that you are the one doing things the right way. That again may be the reason for some troubles or some misgivings this person may have on you. They may feel that you are too arrogant, too confident, and you are not someone willing to change your ways of thinking or being flexible in this love. So, that may be the reason they are quite irritated because maybe you are boasting about yourself, and relationship is always work of two people together. So maybe this person really feels lonely and left out even when they are with you. So that again may be the reason for some worries in this love, in this relationship. But Virgos, some important changes are happening in this love. You will know the truth. You will know what is the reason this person feels this way and what is the reason for them telling you certain things, feeling really sad or stressed, whatever that is coming out into light. So your mistakes or your whatever are the mistakes of this person, this may be your energy or your person's energy in this love, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your oracle guidance. We have chaos and conflict. So this card just means that everything is changing. So something you never expected is happening today. Maybe you were expecting certain things, but what is happening in this love, in your circumstances, is something so different. You may feel a little worried or anxious, but you need to understand that this is the time for some reorder of things happening. So whatever is not working is leaving you, and whatever needs to be there for you is coming to you. And this may be the time for you to see what is the most important thing that you can never give up, that you can never replace, and you will know what it is, and whether you can negotiate or make some adjustments to be in this love. So this may be the time for you to think deeply, think with clarity, and you will see a new path blazing right before your eyes, and you will know what you need to do, and this may be the time for that, Virgos. So this is the chaos before order you are seeing in your circumstances. So this situation will also change. You need not be worried. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Virgos. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.